Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Linda, the burping queen. Someone said that, I love it, and I'm gonna run with it. Alright, so today we are having woohoo! You see the steam? It's hot. I got 2 packs right here. Some fried dumplings. I have my sparkling water, dipping sauce, pickled leeks. Let's put this stuff in here. A little bit of ASMR. I didn't even read the instructions. Was I supposed to cook this? 2 packs. See? 2. I could do this. I haven't had spicy food in a very long time. Ooh, that is thick. Smells really good. Oh, come here. Oh, shoot. This is pork and chives. Wow, juicy. Good. I'll be right back. I'm back. Let's get a little bowl. This thing is still so hot. Wait, let me take a drink first. I'm already sweating. My eyes are watering. Good combination. Pickled leeks, they're kind of sweet, so I think this will be great together. I'm crying. Always forget the damn napkins. Got my baby's wipes right here. Oh, wow. Man up, Linda. Man, you guys be loving my burps. I'm a weenie. Well, guys, I hope you guys had a good day. I woke up super early today and I worked out. I went to the Asian market. I got these noodles. Ooh, the spice is kicking in. Can't even think right now. And it doesn't help that it's temperature hot. I gotta be careful not to wipe that on my eyes. My left eye will not stop watering. I don't want it to touch my mouth. My whole mouth is on fire right now. Whew. Okay, knock it off. I gotta stop saying it's spicy. Of course it's spicy. It's a spicy black bean noodles.
Yummy.
Gotta stay calm, cool, and collective. Glad I didn't wear any makeup. For all you burp lovers, there you go. First burp of the show. These are helping a lot. My lips are quivering. I can't even talk. I wanted to talk about some stuff today, but it is helping though that not touching my lips. Just throw it in the mouth. Here it goes again. That was a little burp. Stuck.
heard that? Freaking burps. I always get trapped burps. It's so uncomfortable. I wish I knew how to just burp on spot. That's why when I do burp, they're so loud. Come on, come out. We all want to hear you. Come say hi, right? Just wait for it, guys. It creeps up on me. Still crying. Just playing with you guys. I think it's shy. Too much pressure. I'm really enjoying these dumplings. My son's friend is coming over for a sleepover. I gotta wrap this up. And because 2 boys, they're loud. Oh yeah, and someone commented they wanted me to do a burping challenge. Not sure what that is, but I will find out and I will do it for you pretty soon. I'm gonna save this for my husband. My daughter's sleeping over there. Ooh, I was pushing my baby and the burp just came out. Hallelujah. It's about time. These burps gotta stop being so shy because I know you guys want them. Maybe sooner. The more I make videos, the more she will come on play. Well, you guys, thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of these amazing burp-tastic burps of mine. Please help me reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost halfway there. Thank you so much for your support, for all of you guys who are already subscribed to me. I will see you guys probably in the next couple days or maybe tomorrow. Bye guys. Peace. There's another one for you guys. I had to come back. I felt it coming up. See all those burps?
they be stuck, and I don't. I don't know how to push them out. Like, I pat on my chest. What do I do? Well, again, I just came back for these couple burps for you guys. Again, see you soon. Bye from the burping queen. Bye.